Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying to create a Trump account and the address field on the sign up screen just won't accept what you type or the continue button stays grayed out. This has been one of the most reported bugs in the app, and here's the fix. First, make sure you're typing your address exactly the way US Postal Service formats it. No periods, no apostrophes, and the abbreviated street type like STAVE or DR instead of spelling it out. A lot of addresses rejections happen because of straight punctuation the field does not expect. If it's still not accepting your address, try typing just the street number and the street name. Then pause for a second and let the autocomplete suggestions appear below the field and tap your address from that list instead of finishing it manually. If no suggestions appear at all, go to your settings app and then scroll down to find the Trump's account app in the app list and check that location services for the app is allowed at least two while using the app, since address autocomplete pulls from your device location. After adjusting that, force close the app from your recent apps. By swiping it off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Trump's Accounts app and then swipe it away, wait for a few hours and then reopen it before trying the address field again. So all you gotta do is use the USPS-style formatting, let autocomplete suggest your address, check location services and settings, the address field will accept it, and that's it. Subscribe.